click the link in my description. Good morning, people. Lucky. What lucky? Thanks, Tony. Oh, good morning, my dear friend. How are you doing this morning? Oh, I just prepare the eggs and milk for my breakfast. So always milk. And after that, I will do maybe cleaning. So quick cleaning and and afternoon is after lunch. Maybe I will do my laundry because look at my shoes. So what happened to my shoes? Oh my god. May ano siya? Meron siyang ano. I need to wash these both shoes so that I will use that tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow. Last day we're going to. Yeah, thank you so much. I'm good, and you? Can you please let me know what in the time of your counter there? It's it's 9:39 in the morning here in my country. 9:39 in the morning. Mm-mm. How about your country? So, how about in your country? And what is your country there? Huh? Oh, thanks, my dear. Thank you also. Thank you also because you're coming in my live streaming. To help my channel, you come to my live stream. Please don't skip my ads. For me, please. Here, 3:40 a.m. Carlos Larry, please don't skip my ads. Are you understand, Carlos Larry, to help me, to help my channel so that I can earn. Please don't skip my ads, please. Carlos Larry, are you there? Are you there? Are you listening? You are not listening, Carlos Larry. Hola, Francisa, Kuya Linda. Hello, Victor. Uy, Paulo, hello. Lo, lo, Lulama? What is that? Wait a minute. I cannot read. Lularma. Lularma, you're welcome. And please, guys, can you do that to don't skip my ads? To help me, to help my channel, please. And also, thank you so much for the support.